Let's come to another bike, the Choppy Bike. And here's the first ever gold award that goes out to Latvia. STUM presents a charming wooden balance bike for kids without comparison. Well done, and please come on stage. Aldis Bliskons, Gatis Grandans, and Tom Grinsbergs.
Congratulations.
Hey.
Congratulations. Hi. Thank you for joining us.
Congrats. Hey.
Here's what the makers say. After the success of our first balance bike, we took up the challenge to make our next bike lighter, nature-friendly, comfortable, and better suited for kids up to the age of 4. Choppy Bike features an innovative design without a single screw. Incredible. Congratulations. Here's your award.
Very good.
Good stuff, huh? Selfie? Yeah. All right.
Our first winner from Latvia.
Congratulations.